Is lucid dreaming worth it? Now, a lot of people, when they first hear about lucid dreaming, they're like very excited about it. You're able to go into your subconscious mind and you're able to control everything around you. You're able to learn things faster, but they're like, is it worth it? Because, lucid dreaming, it's like learning a new skill. It takes a lot of time and a lot of practice. And also, it takes some time to actually get your first lucid dream as well. And I mean, I feel like if you're actually on the path to trying to improve your life, trying to be better, of course it's going to be worth it. The amount of things you can learn in a lucid dream is endless. You can learn how to do literally anything in a lucid dream. Like, you're able to go into this environment and you can control literally like everything around you. And the environment's just created by your subconscious. So it's literally just like a gateway into your subconscious mind that you're able to control the outcome, control what you learn, you're able to control anything in it. Because, like, let's say you're trying to get rid of your fear of public speaking. You can just go into a lucid dream and you can go spawn yourself onto like a stage and have a crowd of thousands of people. And then you can go talk about whatever you want in front of them. Like, that's just one way of doing it. You can record a video in a lucid dream and practice your videography skills to like thousands of people. You're able to learn so much in a lucid dream. That's just for like getting rid of public speaking fears. There's so much more you can do. If you have any other fears, like let's say you're scared of snakes or something, you can go and in a lucid dream, you can go get really close to a snake. You can touch a snake, jump into a snake pit if you're crazy. But yeah, you can definitely get rid of your fears in a lucid dream. You can also you could step outside of your comfort zone. Yeah, that you can just do all that stuff. You're also able to do things you wouldn't normally be able to do in real life. Because in lucid dream, there's no like limitations on physics and all that. You're just able to go fly up in the air if you want to. And first of all, in case you don't know, I should have did this earlier, but lucid dreaming, it's just becoming conscious in a dream, and then you're able to control the environment around you. But yeah, so you're able to do anything in a lucid dream. So you can go and you can fly around, you can get little like laser eyes and just you can like cut through walls and stuff. Anything you want to do, you can do in a lucid dream. Now, how I'm going to use lucid dreaming to my advantage is there's a couple things I want to do. Now, one of the really simple ones is actually getting better form in the gym on certain exercises. Because when you're at like the point of physical exhaustion in the gym, it's really hard to focus on your form. Now, this is just something small and random, but I realized that lucid dreaming could make it so I get my gym form so much better, so much quicker, because I can go and I can be at the point of failure in a lucid dream. And since it's in a dream, I can just keep going at that point of failure for as long as I want. I could do 1,000 reps at failure on squats in a lucid dream in a row. I could do like a really heavy weight, barely be able to get up. I could do that 1,000 times in a row and just focus on having absolute perfect form. The reason that this works is it's really cool. So a lucid dream, when you're in your regular dream, your prefrontal cortex, just the front of your brain, it doesn't activate. But when you're in a lucid dream, it actually gets lit up on an MRI scan, which means it's like awake, it's activated. And then this allows you to be able to link your neurons together. You can like create new neural pathways and stuff, which means you can learn, which I think is super cool because lucid dreaming is like the best environment to learn ever. It's literally all it is your subconscious mind, which when you're learning in it, it's going to directly go straight into your subconscious mind. It's like a direct pathway to being able to learn something. You know, when you're learning something in class and you like forget it, it doesn't really happen in a lucid dream. When you're awake in a lucid dream, it's going directly into your subconscious. So learning is just faster in general because it's a direct link to your subconscious. And also, yeah, with stuff like public fear, or like you're able to get rid of your public speaking fears, you can just go and practice in front of 1,000 people. How many times are you able to practice in front of 1,000 people? I doubt it's going to be every single day, but like in a lucid dream, you're able to practice anything in front of anyone at any time in the night when you're dreaming. Like, I just think lucid dreaming's so cool. This channel, it's all about documenting my journey of lucid dreaming so that you're able to figure out how to lucid dream, figure out what to do in your lucid dreams, you know, just in case you need some ideas, some motivation. And yeah, you're able to just implement what I messed up, what I didn't mess up. You're able to figure out easier on how to lucid dream. Now I'm starting my weekly stats on lucid dreaming, so I'll be showing you how much dreams I had every night, how many lucid dreams I had every night, if I'm implementing any dream sign techniques, what techniques I'm implementing. And you're able to just see what I did the week before. I'll tell you what I changed throughout the week, and you'll be able to see my stats. So you'll be able to tell, like, okay, he implemented this technique last week, and now he has double the amount of lucid dreams. Clearly this is working. You know, that's what I'll be doing with my weekly stats. But yeah, this whole point of this channel is just to help you guys lucid dream by documenting my journey. So if that sounds cool, you know, stick around. I'm gonna try posting as much as I can, multiple times a week, and soon I'll be getting into nice, better content than just in my car. But I just want to get, you know, the basic bit of content out there. And I don't like the editing right now, but that I will be able to edit this soon. And yeah, it's a short, just little video on is lucid dreaming worth it. My opinion, 100% worth it, because you're able to learn anything in a lucid dream. And yeah, that's the video.